Inflammation is a common health issue that can cause pain and discomfort. In this presentation, we will delve into the relationship between protein and inflammation, exploring the role of protein in the body and its effect on inflammatory response. We will also discuss dietary strategies for managing inflammation and practical tips for incorporating protein into daily meals. In this presentation, we will first understand the basics of inflammation, including its causes and symptoms. Then, we will explore the role of protein in the body, including the benefits of a high-protein diet. We will then dive into the relationship between protein and inflammation, examining the scientific evidence behind the anti-inflammatory properties of certain proteins. Finally, we will discuss practical applications of these findings, including dietary strategies for managing inflammation and lifestyle tips for reducing inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs in the body in response to injury or infection. There are two types of inflammation, acute and chronic. Acute inflammation is a short-term response that helps the body fight off harmful stimuli. Chronic inflammation, on the other hand, is a long-term response that can damage the body's tissues and organs if left untreated. Inflammation is the body's response to harmful stimuli, such as pathogens, damaged cells, or irritants. There are two types of inflammation, acute and chronic. Acute inflammation is a short-term response that helps the body fight off harmful stimuli. Chronic inflammation, on the other hand, is a long-term response that can damage the body's tissues and organs if left untreated. Inflammation can be triggered by a variety of factors, including infections, injuries, exposure to toxins or allergens, and autoimmune disorders. Lifestyle factors, such as poor diet, lack of exercise, and stress, can also contribute to inflammation. Inflammation can cause a variety of symptoms, including pain, swelling, redness, and heat. Chronic inflammation can also lead to a range of health problems, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in the body's processes. It is involved in functions such as building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a healthy immune system. Protein has a variety of important functions in the body, including building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a healthy immune system. It is also a source of energy for the body. Protein can be found in a variety of foods, including meats, poultry, fish, dairy products, legumes, and nuts. It is important to consume a variety of protein sources to ensure that the body gets all the amino acids it needs. After protein is consumed, it is broken down into amino acids, which are used by the body for a variety of processes. The body can also store excess amino acids in the form of muscle or fat. Recent research has suggested that certain proteins may have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the body. This has led to investigations into the role of protein in managing chronic inflammatory disorders. Protein can help regulate inflammation by modulating the production of cytokines and other pro-inflammatory molecules. Certain proteins, such as whey and casein, have been found to have anti-inflammatory properties. Research has suggested that certain proteins, such as whey and casein, may have anti-inflammatory properties. These proteins have been found to reduce levels of inflammatory markers in the body. Several studies have investigated the relationship between protein and inflammation, with promising results. For example, a study found that consuming whey protein supplements reduced inflammation in overweight and obese individuals with high levels of inflammation. In addition to protein, certain foods and dietary strategies have been found to help manage inflammation. These include consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, and avoiding processed and fried foods. High-protein diets have been found to have a variety of health benefits, including weight loss, improved satiety, and increased muscle mass. However, it is important to balance protein intake with other nutrients and consider the individual's health needs. Certain protein-rich foods have been found to have anti-inflammatory effects, including fatty fish, nuts, and legumes. These foods can be incorporated into a balanced diet to help manage inflammation. It is important to balance protein intake with other nutrients, such as carbohydrates and fats, to ensure overall health. Consuming a variety of foods that provide a range of nutrients can help manage inflammation. Incorporating protein into daily meals and making dietary and lifestyle changes can help manage inflammation and improve overall health. There are also protein supplements available which can be used to increase protein intake, but it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking supplements. There are many ways to incorporate protein into daily meals, such as adding lean meats, fish, or legumes to salads, stir-fries, and soups. Snacks such as nuts and seeds or yogurt can also be high in protein. Protein supplements can be a convenient way to increase protein intake, but it is important to choose high-quality supplements and use them in moderation. Overconsumption of protein supplements can lead to health problems, such as kidney damage. In addition to dietary changes, lifestyle factors can also help manage inflammation. These include getting regular exercise, managing stress, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Inflammation is a common health issue that can cause pain and discomfort. Through understanding the role of protein in the body and its effect on inflammatory response, we can make dietary and lifestyle changes to manage inflammation and improve overall health.